One assumes to connect with the Gen Z audience that cannot be bothered to give anyone their attention, a horde of writers, filmmakers right now are trying to crack that social media wali script. Most attempts you see on your screen are, to borrow from internet speak, cringe. The one we're talking about today had the promise of breaking that clutter if it just weren't so desperate. Aao batati hu. Hey all, my name is Sucharita. Welcome back to my channel, jahan aaj we're talking about Amit Golani's Log Out, starring Babil Khan in the lead role, now streaming on ZEE5.
Fucking! I will kill you! I will find you and I will kill you!
Pratyush Dua, played by Babil Khan, is a Gurgaon-based influencer with almost 10 million followers on a suspiciously familiar-looking app called My Dazzle, which is totally not Instagram. But you know, if it looks like a duck, talks like a duck. Neck and neck with another influencer, in the race to reach 10 million first, Pratyush has brand deals on the line if he doesn't win. He's willing to do whatever it takes, a collaboration with Bhuvan Bam, jo bhi. We are told that to achieve this dream, Pratyush has had to dissociate himself from family. Rasika Duggal appears as his elder sister in an early scene as he laments, "Ghar pe koi mujhe samajhne ki koshish nahi karta." So one day, Pratyush, popularly called Pratty, wakes up to a nightmare. His phone is missing. Soon, he is stalked, blackmailed, and forced to play twisted games by a mysterious caller who may or may not have his phone. I don't know. Written by one of the pioneering voices of writers, among writers, creating exclusively for the internet in its early days, Biswapati Sarkar, Log Out wretchedly wants your attention. Like the most annoying person at a party telling a story who keeps saying over and over, right? Like, don't guide me so much. Let me get there myself. The film begins with a quote that says something like, 7 billion people are prisoners. That's why they are called cell phones. It's like wordy, cheesy, and it makes you wonder if there aren't better quotes from serious philosophers on this subject. So despite setting expectations rather low, in part thanks to questionable CGI blood and off-sounding voice dubbing, Log Out manages to course correct along the way. The film very obviously wants to be a treatise on addiction to social media and how devices control most human interactions, and to its credit, it almost even gets there. Director Amit Golani, unlike many others who don't quite understand how social media space works, he refreshingly is not out to demonize social media as much as he wants to dissect it. With a slightly heavy hand, yes, but also with some intrigue and like rather decent intentions. So Pratyush is trapped mostly in his room with very pandemic cinema vibes. He's trying to solve a series of puzzles to get to the stalker who has his phone. Or doesn't have his phone, I don't know. Or the stalker always remains 2 decibels too dramatic. But because the story has a clever enough setup, and as the opening scene finally loops back into the narrative, the focus largely remains on the mystery at hand. It's fun. The central conflict of the story, right, being consumed whole and simultaneously rejected by social media platforms, is something that hasn't quite been explored seriously and well in Hindi cinema, barring perhaps Dibakar Banerjee's LSD2, a criminally underrated study of our times. In the hands of Biswapati Sarkar and Amit Golani and a devastatingly cute Babil Khan, Log Out just about stays above water as a serviceable, modest little whodunit set on that divide that keeps our digital lives from spilling over into reality. Walking a line between tech thriller and emotional drama is not easy, considering the people watching, that is, the aforementioned Gen Z and even millennials. We are quick to spot mistakes in your depiction of the worlds that we occupy. At least in Log Out, you don't see someone go viral and excessive usage of outdated hashtags. One is even willing to sidestep the heavily on-the-nose metaphors like chuha caught in a cage eating fast food in favor of little moments like influencers using their own fake profiles for internet clout. It's nice. So Log Out doesn't wag its finger at influencers, but it also doesn't pity them. Biswapati Sarkar understands the culture of controversy, clickbait, and performative versus real grief. His observations and experience in the field makes his writing feel better observed. Not just from the point of view of the famous, but to a certain extent also a commentary on increasingly obsessive parasocial relationships that these platforms are encouraging. False gods as far as the eye can see. इतना कि ये ascertain करना नामुमकिन है कि power screen के इस तरफ है या उस तरफ.
You really think I'll kill myself for 10 million followers?
Not for 10 million, sir. For 1 follower.
Where the movie falters hard is the last 20 minutes. The reveal and the eventual conclusion, or lack of it, while decently set up, is undercut by melodrama and a moral of the story tone, despite Babul Khan pushing with all his might. To truly capture the way our devices have altered our brain chemistry and create something that may allow one to zoom out enough to attain perspective, someone will need to produce a more concerted, less clumsy effort on all fronts. Black Mirror का नया सीजन शुरू हो गया है क्या? That's what I'm talking about. खैर, ये फिल्म आप देख सकते हैं Z5 पर. So on a scale of 1 to 10, log out is 9.8 मिलियन से 10 मिलियन तक पहुंचना इतनी आसानी से ऐसे दिखा दिया इस फिल्म में. यहाँ अपने 150,000 नहीं हो रहे हैं. I refuse to do dances on YouTube Shorts. प्लीज़ उसकी नौबत मत आने दो. सब्सक्राइब का बटन है इस वीडियो के नीचे, कर दो क्लिक. My name is Sucharita. I have a bunch more reviews this week. So, thank you for stopping by.